Girl, stop washing your face. This is probably the last thing that you've ever expected to hear from an esthetician, because most estheticians will tell you that you should be washing your face in the morning and then again at night, because people are under the common belief that your skin is getting dirty throughout the day and that you need to clean off all this dirt on your face or you're going to get wrinkles or you're going to get acne or, whatever is going to happen to your face. And I'm telling you that the opposite is true. If you're washing your face on a regular basis, you're actually aging your skin much faster than you ever would without ever washing your face. And here's why. Every time you wash your face, you're using surfactants from the cleansers are stripping your skin of oil, and then you're putting moisturizers on to try and replace the oil that you just stripped out of your skin. But the moisturizers that you're using have a totally different consistency from what your skin actually has, and so you're never able to achieve that the actual moisturization that you want. And even if you're using an oil-based cleanser, which is much better than ones that have surfactants in it, you're still messing with the pH balance of your skin. And your skin has everything it needs in it to keep itself clean. And all it needs is just a little bit of movement and massage to help keep the lymphatic system going and keep your skin looking healthy from the inside out. So I'm going to teach you today some ways that you can clean your skin from the inside out instead of from the outside in, which doesn't actually work. The reason it doesn't work to clean your skin from the outside in is that this top layer of skin that you see is actually called a barrier layer. And the sole purpose of the barrier layer is to keep things from the outer environment out of the inside of your skin. And so this layer is meant to keep things out. So even if you're washing it, putting moisturizers on, it only penetrates a small amount. And that part that it's penetrating on your skin is actually dead skin. So it's not having any effect on the inner part of your skin. It's not having any effect on the aging process or any of those things. So basically when you're using products on your skin, it's not really doing anything. So the way you want to work on cleaning your skin is activating your lymphatic system. And your lymphatic system is the extra fluid that's inside of your body that's working to clean and detoxify your skin. So this fluid surrounds like all your cells, and it's collecting cellular waste and debris and things that aren't supposed to be in your body and removing it from your body. The only thing that happens is that with the lymphatic system, it doesn't have a pump and it doesn't have a way of moving, and so it just uses gravity. And so if you have tense muscles, tight skin, if your skin's like tight and dry, all that lymph can't move through your skin, and so it just gets trapped. And when it gets trapped between your skin cells and it's just collecting all this cellular waste and all this these toxins that you're producing every day through just your normal daily life, that causes inflammation in your skin, and then your skin looks old, dull. You get acne, you might get puffiness. All these things are all signs of inflammation in your skin. And that inflammation just means that you're not cleaning your skin from the inside out. So cleaning your skin from the outside in doesn't have effect on that at all. And so what you can do instead is just do a few simple facial massages. And if you've watched my video, you've probably seen these before. But these really work to, sorry, I just got a little dark in my throat. These work to get your fascia moving. Your fascia is what kind of holds everything together. It holds your skin to your muscles, to your bones, and all those things. And if your fascia is stuck together and it's not moving, then it doesn't hold on to moisture and your skin starts to look thin and saggy. And if your fascia is moving together like it's supposed to be doing, then it holds on to extra moisture and your skin looks plump and healthy and firm, and you have less wrinkles and less inflammation. So just take your hands like this, just do some nice circles all over your face. And we're using some pressure here. Don't need to use any moisturizer or anything like that. You can see that just kind of gets the blood flow going. That friction helps to break up tight fascia areas and things like that. And you can do the same thing on your neck. Kind of doing some nice downward strokes here. You can come to the back of your neck and do some rubbing there just to kind of keep things moving. If you tend to get blackheads on your nose, just take your fingers and go from the base of your nose all the way up to your forehead. And that'll help to create some movement in there and help to drain that excess gunk that you get below your skin cells. And that's going to help way more if you're doing that on a regular basis and ever getting extractions, because what happens with extractions is you're squeezing all that gunk out, and then it just causes more inflammation, and all that gunk just comes right back in. So really getting extractions doesn't help. Cleaning your skin on a regular basis is totally unnecessary. And what I recommend doing instead is when you're in the shower, just use a washcloth and, wipe off your face with just plain water. Or if you're wearing makeup, you can use, my favorite one is the Jane Iredale Magic Mitt, but I think Norwax has one as well. It's just a microfiber cloth that helps to clean your skin, but without the surfactants or without anything that's going to mess up the pH balance of your skin. So if you're looking in the mirror and you're noticing that you're getting old way faster than you would like, let's chat, because your skin responds way differently than you've probably been taught in previous skincare routines that you've been doing. A lot of the things that you've been taught actually ages your skin. Exfoliating your skin, cleaning your skin, doing harsh treatments like chemical peels and things like that. You always think that they're going to be good for your skin, and they do make your skin look better maybe in the short term, but in the long term, you're actually aging your skin faster, creating more inflammation, and you're creating more likelihood that your skin's going to be saggy and thin and wrinkled in the long term. So let's get you on a better plan to take care of your skin that's actually going to keep you looking younger, longer, and give you the confidence to really get out there and pursue your dreams. Because when you look in the mirror and you like the way you look, how much more are you going to show up in your life? Are you going to really go after those dreams that you want, talk to the people that you need to make the things happen? I think so. So let's chat. Let's get your skin looking healthy and get you feeling confident.